Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn what is variable and how it's work in Java. So firstly, we need to clean our code and think variable is kind of a data holder where we can store some data or some values like name, like number or fractional number or boolean type like true false, etc. For example, string, it's a data type of string value like any kind of is text. So I'm writing string and given space, then my name and into it semicolon. My name is a variable and the data type is string. That's mean we can store any kind of text value inside the my name. So firstly, when we create a variable, that's a no value assigned inside the variable. So firstly, we need to assign text alias. So when I print this like system out println and my name, and after run this, yeah, aligns is printed. That's mean my name variable is working with aligns. And another thing, variable can be any type of data like store any kind of fraction number. We need to assign is int. Int mean a integer type, and like variable name is and assigned to 25, and I am printing system out printing is and run. You can see the 25 is printed. That's mean the age is a integer type of value. But remember, I cannot print any text in type of variable. So the required type is int, but we provide the string type of value. So we must be assigned it a integer type of value, and we can store another like I address USA and into it semicolon and print address. After run this, yeah, US is printed. So the variable is a kind of data holder where we can store the any type of value. It is a simple concept in Java or any others language. And another thing, we can concat any kind of variable like name and address. We can print name plus address, and after print this, we can see alias name and address is printed at a time, and we need to separate this with a space. And after run this, we can see the alias USA printed, and again we can print any numerical value like int num1 equal 10 and int num2 equal 20, and we can print this num1 plus num2 and run. Yeah, 30 is printed. That's mean we can use any number with any operation. Java has many data type for variable like integer, boolean, double. If you like to print or store any data like decimal or fractional number, we need to use or double num3 25.222. It's a fractional number and we can store in double data type. We can also store float num4 and we must be use an if. So this is a double value and this is a float. Num3 is like num3 and printed is the successfully, and again we can use num4 is num4 and print, and num4 is printed. So that's all from this video. I am back with the next video. Thank you.